Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. As part of its aggressive thrust to continue growing group revenue, Sagicor Group Jamaica is reshaping the leadership of Sagicor Bank. Now, Sagicor Group Jamaica is on target to have its 18th year of continuous profitability. 9 months results at September 30 this year showed profit surging by 23% to $9.1 billion. I spoke with Sagicor Group's Chris Zaka on growth prospects and much more in a wide-ranging interview Wednesday, November 8.
It's no secret that we're searching for a new CEO. Our acting CEO, Philip Armstrong, is doing a great job, so there's no issue in terms of, the current leadership. But I have another plan for Philip at the group level. So we will go into next year with a whole new leadership team in terms of the top, and have a plan that is dynamic and transformative. We have a very significant technological underpinning for that bank. We are ahead of everybody, in my view. Although others tend to, boast about their technology, we are way ahead, in my view.
Don't miss, on a personal note, November 12 as Zaka reveals plans to aggressively tackle loans for the small business sector and much more. A 7.3% fall by heavily traded high-cap stock Cable and Wireless Jamaica mainly triggered losses in the Jamaican stock market indices today. The All Jamaican Composite Index fell by 345 points, or 0.1%. The other indices, including the main JSE and select indices, also fell. 45 stocks traded, with 19 advancing, 21 declining, and 5 holding firm. Market volume amounted to 7.3 million shares, worth $105.6 million, and Cable and Wireless and Carreras, of 1/5%, dominated trading. Winners included 1834 Investments, up 9.7%, Carreras, Siboney Group, Caribbean Cement, Grace Kennedy, JMMB Group, Jamaica Producers, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Key Insurance, up 13%, KLE Group, up 9% on small volumes, NCB Financial Group, and Sagicor's Real Estate X Fund. The losers included Barita Investments, Cable and Wireless Jamaica, Knutsford Express, Kingston Wharves, the 3 Lasco companies, Mayberry Investments, Paramount Trading, Consolidated Bakeries or Purity, Scotia Group, and Sagicor Group Jamaica. On the foreign exchange market, the Jamaican dollar strengthened slightly against the benchmark US dollar and the Canadian dollar today, but weakened against sterling. Here are Wednesday's numbers. The benchmark American dollar slipped 1 cent Jamaican to an average selling rate of $126.90 Jamaican, while sterling declined by 73 Jamaican cents at $166.02 Jamaican. However, the Canadian dollar strengthened by 27 Jamaican cents at an average selling rate of $99.64. Now finally, as Supreme Ventures moves to normalize its board structure following the resignations of Chairman Paul Ho, Peter Chin, and others, 2 new directors have been added to the board. Following a board meeting November 7, Supreme Ventures announced that businessmen Peter McConnell and W. David McConnell were appointed independent non-executive directors. Peter McConnell is Managing Director of Trade Winds Citrus Limited, and William David McConnell is Co-Managing Director and co-founder of wines and spirits company Select Brands. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.